Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying compatibility. Compatible Mac and iPad models and recent macOS/iPad OS. Once done, sign in with the same Apple ID and enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and handoff on both devices. These services let Sidecar stream the display. Now on your Mac, open System Settings and choose Displays. This is where you initiate Sidecar. You're not setting preferences yet. You're creating the connection. Follow these first steps to place the devices on the same network and ready them for pairing. You now initiate Sidecar. Click the AirPlay icon or Open Displays and pick your iPad from the device list. Once connected, decide whether to mirror your Mac screen or extend it. Extend gives you extra workspace, while mirror replicates. Make sure to enable or disable the touch bar and sidebar options depending on how you plan to interact. These change where controls appear on the iPad. Finally, go to Displays Arrangement and drag the iPad relative to the Mac, so the cursor moves naturally between screens. You finish by testing inputs. Try the Apple Pencil, move the cursor between displays, and verify keyboard shortcuts behave as expected. If you experience lag, connect the iPad to the Mac with USB for a faster, stable link and simultaneous charging. Make sure to save display arrangement and preference changes. If Sidecar won't connect, restart Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, toggle handoff, or reselect the iPad in AirPlay. Often a quick reconnection fixes pairing errors and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.